and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. On the screen are today's shoutouts. Thank you all so much for your comments and your support. If you also want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe, turn notifications on. If there's 20 people to comment hashtag #ChillFication once you've done that. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make some DIY Squid Game fidget toys. So without any further ado, let's get into today's video. For the first fidget toy, I'll be making a stress ball that looks like the red soldiers from Squid Game. To start off, you're gonna need a red balloon. Then grab some glue. Then you're gonna go ahead and fill up your balloon with your glue, soap, shampoo, anything that's kind of like thick. Since glue is already super thick, I'm gonna fill it up halfway with glue and then the rest of the way with water. If you want, you can also use like a funnel for this step. Now I just went ahead to the sink and filled up the rest of my balloon with some water. Twist your balloon like so, and go ahead and tie a knot. Make sure your knot is super tight and then dry off your balloon so there's like no water or anything on the outside of it. Once you've done that, grab a black Sharpie and a silver Sharpie. If you don't have a silver Sharpie, you can also use like a white marker or something like that. I'm gonna go ahead and draw a black triangle. And once you have your triangle, fill it in. Now wait for a couple of seconds for the black marker to dry. If you're impatient like me, just blow on it. Now grab your silver Sharpie and draw an outline around the triangle. Just like that, and now wait for it to dry as well. Once your Sharpie has dried, grab some scissors and cut off the tail from the balloon. There we go, and now your Red Soldier Squid Game stress ball is all completed. Let's squish it. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so good. I love this so much. So this stress ball is really nice, and it's just like the Squid Game Red Soldiers. I love it a lot. Super duper easy to make. I'd highly recommend making it. Rate it a 10 out of 10. Now I'll be showing you guys how to make the Dalgona candy into a poppet/dimple. For this, grab a piece of cardboard, then grab a pretty large circular object to trace. Place it onto the cardboard and then trace it with like a pencil or some kind of colored pencil. I'm using this brown one. Now you can go ahead and set this aside. Grab a blank piece of paper, another circular object that you can trace that is smaller than the circle you have drawn already, and trace it. Now try to find a colored pencil that has a sort of caramel color that looks something like that, and then go ahead and color in the circle that we just drew. Now grab some scissors and cut the circle out. Grab some thick plastic packaging tape and then put the sticky side facing upwards. Place the piece onto it. Basically, we are trying to like laminate it. Now take another strip and then place it on top. Now do the same thing to cover the other side. This time, put the sticky side down. Once you've covered both sides with the tape, go ahead and cut your circle out. Now grab your scissors and cut a slit about halfway across the circle. And then fold one of the flaps over the other flap. Once you've put the flap over the other flap, you should have like a cone or like a dome shape. Then grab some clear tape, put it on top of the flap to keep it shut. Do the same thing on the inside. And now your flap is secured. Now place the cone shape that we made back onto the circle that we traced earlier. Place it directly into the center. Now go ahead and trace it with a brown colored pencil. Once you've traced your cone, grab the caramel color in the outside. Once you've done that, go ahead and cut it out. The circle that you cut out doesn't have to be perfect, and then just check that it fits. Oh, grab a brown colored pencil, draw like a brown circle, so just like trace the outline. This will make the circle pop out more. Once you've done that, place your cone onto the circle and then grab some clear tape and tape it down. Once you've taped the inside, make sure to tape the outside as well. Once you've done that, grab your needle as your accessory, and now your Dalgona Squid Game dimple is all complete. This is a really good dimple, and it pops really well. This was super easy to make, and if you love Squid Game, I would highly recommend making this fidget. Guys, I'm pretending as if I'm in the Squid Games. Now I'll be showing you guys how to make the Squid Game contestants into a fidget. For this, grab some green straws and some green pipe cleaners. And now twist your pipe cleaner into a leg shape, just like this to make legs. I'm gonna cut it off right here so the legs are like the same length. Now I'm gonna put in my pipe cleaner inside to make the arms. So I'm gonna make them a little bit shorter than the legs. And then also just go ahead and like twist it so that it stays in place. For the head part, put the pipe cleaner in and then twist it right here. Grab your straw and place it onto one of the legs, and then find where the leg ends in the straw and mark it a little bit above. And take off the straw and cut it right there. And cut one the same exact size. Now pop those two straws onto the legs. Twist the foot upwards. Now we have little feet. Look at that. Like these cute little feet. Now repeat this exact process for the hands. For the head part, cut off a piece of straw that is a little bit more than half of the pipe cleaner. And then put it on. Grab a green pom-pom, put it inside of the pipe cleaner. If it's not sticking on, make a little hole in your pom-pom to give it space to put it onto the pipe cleaner. And now your Squid Game contestant is all completed. Right here you have this little tangle man. You can twist the straws like so, twist them around, and yeah. And you can even make it sit. Look at that, it's sitting. And you can make a multiple, so you have a little couple. You can even make an entire family. And these are all like the contestants. You can make lots of them, and you have an entire contestant army. And look at its little pom-pom head. You can even draw a face on it, glue on some googly eyes, and customize it however you want. This fidget was super duper easy to make, and I love it a lot, so I'd highly recommend making it. So right over here were all the fidgets we made today. The red soldier's a stress ball. It is so nice. I love it so much. Dalgona candy dimple / poppet. Then the Tangle Man Squid Game contestants. Super duper cute. You can even make an entire army. Comment down below which fidget toy was your favorite and which one you'll be trying out. My favorite is probably the Tangle Man. It is so cute. And yeah, I love the pom-pom head. Skillshare is an online learning community with so many inspiring classes. You can explore new skills and passions, and you will get lost in creativity. Since Skillshare is for learning, there are absolutely no ads, so you can stay focused on exploring and learning. And they're also launching new premium classes. All Skillshare classes offer subtitles in Spanish, French, Dutch, and Portuguese. One of my favorite classes I took is called Art Journaling for Self-Care. It is by Amanda Rach Lee. This class inspired me to start journaling, and it taught me the right way to journal, which helped me to de-stress, especially with school starting. I would highly recommend this course, but also there are tons of other courses on how to become a YouTuber, there are DIYs, crafts, how to edit videos, so many other courses as well. The first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in my description will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare, so you can start exploring your creativity today. So that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, forget to give it a big thumbs up. It'd be super awesome if you'd subscribe. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Also, make sure to check out my other DIY fidget toy videos. They'll link down below.